Okay, good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do our second class of this week. So if you are from 601, 602, 603, then it should be on Wednesday. If you are from 604, it should be on Tuesday, and if you are from 605, then it's on Thursday. Okay, so now I give you some time. You should write down your homework. Your homework is listen to CD2, 26 to 27, okay? And then you should also do the student book, from page 63 to 64, all right? And then after this video, in the end, I'm going to give you the answer of your homework so you can check by yourself. Understand? All right. So if you haven't finished your homework, you can press pause and then finish it. All right? 如果还没有抄完联络簿的同学，你可以按下暂停键，然后把你的作业写完。Okay. If you don't have any question, we're going to do it. Please take out your student book, okay? Let me show you your homework first. Today your homework should be here, this part, all right? This part, and then this one. Read and choose, all right? So these 2 pages. So don't worry, after you finish it, I am going to give you the answer so you can check it by yourself to see if there's any mistake in, okay? 如果你没有这个课本的同学也没有关系，这个页面就是你今天的作业，你可以把它截图影印出来，或是你现在按下暂停，你就可以开始作答，写在一张白纸上 ，write on a paper。然后写完的同学，你有课本或没有课本的同学都要写。写完之后呢，老师在影片的最后会给你们解答 ，OK， 会帮你们就是解题把每一个答案都给你们。那你们如果看到最后，先把这个影片暂停，然后去把它做完，最后再来看解答，这样子会比较好。All right? Okay. If you don't have any question, I think we are going to go review from the Unit 4. Okay? 我们现在复习一下之前上过的东西。First, the story time. Okay? Ready? Please repeat after me. Okay, ready?
Today is Prince Bruce's birthday.
Today is Prince Bruce's birthday.
Will Fred come back for my birthday?
Will Fred come back for my birthday?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I really miss him.
I really miss him.
He was at the airport 3 days ago.
He was at the airport 3 days ago.
Wow, he has lots of fans.
Wow, he has lots of fans.
Where was Fred 2 days ago?
Where was Fred 2 days ago?
He was at a restaurant in Italy.
He was at a restaurant in Italy.
Look, what a big pizza.
Look, what a big pizza.
It looks yummy.
It looks yummy.
Was Fred in Italy yesterday?
Was Fred in Italy yesterday?
No, he wasn't.
No, he wasn't.
He was in France.
He was in France.
Was Fred at the Eiffel Tower?
Was Fred at the Eiffel Tower?
No, he wasn't.
No, he wasn't.
He was at the museum.
He was at the museum.
It's 1:50 in the afternoon.
It's 1:50 in the afternoon.
The party is going to start at 2 o'clock.
The party is going to start at 2 o'clock.
Where is Fred now?
Where is Fred now?
Surprise!
Surprise!
Happy birthday, Bruce!
Happy birthday, Bruce!
Alright, so this is the story, okay? If you have time after this video, you can still do it. You can go through it and please read it. Okay, 1 or 2 times is fine. 如果你上完课还有时间的同学，你可以把它念熟。Okay, after you coming back, we are going to have the oral test. 到时候考完试会有时间，我们就来考口试。Alright, now please turn to page 61, 62. Okay, so this should be our class today. Everybody, now please look here, above the page 61. Ready? In Unit 4, we have 2 sentence patterns. This is pattern 1. Everybody repeat.
Where was Sam yesterday?
Everybody, where was Sam yesterday? Where was Sam yesterday? Okay, so what is it about? It's about asking someone if he or she did anything yesterday. Okay, 这个句子是在说，问一个人，一个男生或是一个女生，他的昨天做了什么事情。Alright, so the answer should be
He was at the museum yesterday.
He was at the museum yesterday. He was at the museum yesterday. 这个时候他说 Sam 他在哪里呢？他昨天在博物馆。Okay, so can you tell me what's the difference between Unit 3 and Unit 4? 第3、第4课的差异在哪里呢？ You still remember? Okay, let's take a look. Here is the Unit 3 sentence pattern 1. Okay, it says what? Where were you yesterday? Where were you yesterday? And on Unit 4, what do we have? We have where was Sam yesterday? So it's totally different. Okay? Like this. The first one was where were you yesterday, right? But the second one, okay. Yeah, there's slightly different, right? For example, this. This is different, right? And this. First, this one, you and Sam. When I ask about you, wait, the green one, okay. When I ask about you, it means me. So where were you yesterday? 它的这个是什么 ？be 动词，对不对 ？be 动词，我们如果用现在式来解释，就是 Where are you, right? Where are you now? 那过去式呢 ？Where were you yesterday? 那我们这边一样加上现在式来比较一下 ，OK？ Where are you yesterday? Right? And here, where is Sam yesterday? Right? So we have is, okay, put it together, and we have are. Okay? So do you see the difference? Are become were, is become was. Okay? Oh, sorry. I'm so sorry. It's now. 老师这边打错了哈，这边不是昨天是现在嘛，对不对 ？Where are you now? Where were you yesterday? Where is Sam now? Where was Sam yesterday? 这个时候老师会希望你们可以用一个小的这个方法来记哈，这个方法蛮棒的，就是如果你忘记到底 you 比方说你写过去式的时候，你的 you 要用 were 还是用 was 呢？你就想 you 在现在式的时候 are 是 re 结尾，所以在过去式的时候也是 re 结尾，有没有？那如果是 Sam 或是 he, she, it 的时候，因为我们的这个现在式是用 is 结尾是 s 结尾，所以你在过去式就变成 was， 这样子的记法会比较简单一点。OK， so remember are and is about now, were and was is about yesterday. OK， 好，一个是现在式，一个是过去式。Alright, so if you don't have any question, now keep going. Here we can see. Where was Sam yesterday? He was at the museum yesterday, right? So now it's my turn to ask you. The part A, listen and match. I think we have finished already, right? 这边我们已经做完了，所以这边老师就不多说。我们现在来考考各位。Alright, this one. Okay, pass. Now I'm going to ask you some questions. Number one. Okay, Vicky. Let's do Vicky. Vicky 昨天在家里。Okay, can you write down the answer, the translation, the English one? 有没有人可以写下这句的英文呢？好，给各位一点时间了。All right. And number two. I think we need Okay. It's better we use this. Right? Okay, now you can do the two questions. A and S. Alright. Alright, the first question, Vicky 昨天在哪里? If it's in English, then we say what? Where? Vicky is a girl, right? So it's not you. So we use where was Vicky now or yesterday or tomorrow? Of course it's yesterday, right? So like this. Where was Vicky yesterday? Question mark. Okay? And here, 你昨天在哪里? We use what? Where were you? Okay, the same. Yesterday. Like this. Easy, right? So it's pretty easy because it's the easiest question. Okay? It's a very simple question. 这是一种很简单的用法. Alright. So now, the second one is about the answer. 我们现在来试试看回答问题的这个问题的答案哦。Vicky 昨天在 Okay, give you a hard one. 游乐园，这个有教过哦，对不对？好，我们来一样。I give you 10 seconds. 10, maybe 1 minute. 给你1分钟，你可以写一下。你 becomes 我。Okay, like this. So, Vicky 昨天在游乐园，我昨天在动物园。If you haven't finished, you can press pause and you can do it. Alright? 如果还没好的同学，你就随时按下暂停键或倒回去看。然后，好的，你再接着看哦。Now I'm going to give you the answer. 我们现在来看一下答案是什么。Vicky was at the amusement park yesterday, or you can just leave it. Okay, you can use this. Vicky was at the amusement park, or you can put yesterday here. Yesterday. All right. Vicky was at an amusement park yesterday. Like this. Alright? And if it's about 我昨天在动物园, it should be I was at the zoo. I was at the zoo. Or, yeah, yesterday. You can put it here. Like this. Easy, right? So, if you are not sure that you have understood this, I think you can do more practice. 你可以用更多的练习来就是确定你这个句型是会的。怎么样练习呢？ Easy. For example, you can write down a Chinese sentence and then to translate it into English. 你可以先写下他昨天在哪里他昨天在家里或是他昨天在哪里？那你这样子去翻译，如果你都会翻译的话，你的这个句型就没有问题了。And remember, always put the. 这之前有讲过嘛，记得很多地方都基本上加的，除了 school, university, college 这种hospital 这种，除了一些特定的地点，尤其是学校，尽量不要加。还有在家里也不用加这个之前有讲过了除非你在那个地方没有在做那件事情，比方说你在学校你没有在上课，你没有在学，你只是去学校玩的，那你就说 at the school, it's okay. 那通常大家都说I'm at school, 因为你在学校在上课嘛，你不会来学校说我来烤肉之类的。Alright. So if you're finished, now please look at part B. 这个之前有讲，这个我们没有办法做，因为这个你要跟好朋友做，对不对？But you can still finish there, here, this. Write and say, I and my friend. So look at here first. You can, you can look. You can find two thieves, I think so. 他们应该是小偷A boy and a girl. 一个男生，一个女生。那这里你可以先写下来你觉得这个嫌犯是在哪个地方 ？Yesterday, maybe school, maybe bank, maybe park, maybe parking lot. And 2 hours ago, maybe home, maybe amusement park, or restaurant, or theater, cinema, or museum 都可以。这4个请你写上不一样的单字 ，OK? Please write down different words. And this is for your friend. So we can do this after you come back to school. 这个我们可以等大家回学校再来玩。You can still finish this first. 你可以先把这个 I 这个区块给写完，这样子你回来的时候就可以直接使用了。跟你同学问。So how to do it? If you want to play with your family, your dad, your mom, and they know how to do it, or you can teach them how to do it. 什么意思呢？这里的2个框框，一个是给你的。那如果你的这个 my friend 的地方，你想要跟你的家人玩，你的爸爸或你的妈妈，当然也可以。怎么样玩呢？很简单，你先写上你的，那你另外做一个这个框框你可能写在白纸上做2个这个框框给他，让他写他的 ，OK？ 他的 I 也要写他的。So you can ask him or her, maybe your dad, your mom, to ask them, where was the boy or where was he yesterday? Okay? And she or he will tell you, he was at the museum. 那代表什么？他没讲完。He was at the museum yesterday. 他如果说他昨天是在 museum 博物馆，那你的这个绿色的框框的这边，你就可以写上 museum。那最后2个人互相问完4题之后，再同时把你的课本还有这张纸一起给对方看，看是不是都写的一模一样看有没有人写错。Alright, so it's about the practice, part B. Okay. So if you don't have any question, now I think we are going to do the pattern 2. 我们先来看第2个句子It's a lot, difficult. I think so. 这个非常的难嘛。It's much more difficult. So listen, we can read it, okay?
Was Tim at the train station an hour ago?
Okay, everybody repeat. Was Tim at the train station an hour ago? Was Tim at the train station an hour ago? So this question is about asking someone if he or she was there. And you need to put the time to check. For example, was Tim at the train station an hour ago? What is an hour ago? It means 1 hour ago， 就是1小时前，对不对？1小时前的话代表什么？他这个问句在问 Tim 题目Tim 他1小时前是不是在 train station？ 他是不是在火车站？他的这个句子的顺序不一样英文的句子。You put the time in the end， 时间放最后。You put the place before the time， 在这个时间前面放地点嘛，再来前面是人名。Okay? So the answer could be
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was. Yes, he was. 就是是，他是。
No, he wasn't. He was at the airport an hour ago.
Okay. No, he wasn't. He was at the airport an hour ago. No, he wasn't. He was at the airport an hour ago. Okay, yes, he was. 就是是的，他是啊，他在那里，他1小时前在那里。No, he wasn't means what? 不，他没有，他1小时前不在那，他在 at the airport。有没有看到？他在机场。Okay, so if you use yes.Then it should be yes, that's it. 是的，那就大家都知道他在哪。那如果是 no, he wasn't， 你要告诉他，那他现在在哪里 ？Alright? Okay. So, I think there's a video for you. This one. 我们现在先把这个看完。Ready?
Hi, I'm Dave, and today in the E-Star book number 8, we will go to Unit 4 and learn about places you may have visited in the past. Are you ready? Let's go! So, last unit you learned about time in the past. So today we will learn about 5 places you may have visited in the past.
Okay, so today we will learn about 5 places you may have visited in the past. 他说今天我们要来讲的是什么？讲5个你过去应该都有去过的地方。
Ready? Airport. Airport.
Airport.
Train station. Train station. Restaurant.
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 Museum.
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 Museum. Okay, this is Louvre Museum, right?
Theater.
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 This is National Taichung Theater. 国家歌剧院在台中。
Hi, Miss. I'm Police Officer Dave.
Okay, so now they're going to play a role. 他们要去角色扮演Okay, the man is a police. 他是个警察。So he says what? Hi, Miss. Hi, 小姐. I'm Police Officer Dave.
Have you seen a thief called Sam?
Okay, have you seen a thief called Sam? Write down the word thief. 这个 thief 就是刚刚老师讲的那个小偷的单字Have you seen a thief called Sam? 你有没有看过一个叫 Sam 的小偷呢？
Oh, where was Sam yesterday?
He was in the museum yesterday. He stole a very famous painting.
Oh.
He stole a very famous painting. What is painting? This word. Yes, painting is a 画 Okay, 就是一幅画 So he, the thief, Sam, stolen a what? He stole a painting. 他偷走一幅画 Okay.
Oh, that's not good. Maybe I saw someone like him.
Was Sam at the train station an hour ago?
Okay, again.
Was Sam
Was Sam at the train station an hour ago? So the policeman asking what? Was Sam at the train station an hour ago? 他是不是1小时前在火车站呢？
at the train station an hour ago?
No, he wasn't.
No, he wasn't. 不，他好像不是哦，他不在。
Was Sam at the museum an hour ago?
Yes, he was.
Yes, he was. He was at the museum an hour ago. 他1小时前在哪？在博物馆。
Was it the same museum as yesterday?
No, I think he was at another museum. Let me show you.
Was at another museum. 他在另一间什么博物馆吗？
Let's go!
Okay, let's go. 他说哦，赶快去抓他。
Airport.
Okay, everybody, airport.
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 Train station.
Train station.
Train station.
Train station.
Restaurant.
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 Museum.
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 Theater.
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 Now, you have seen us act out this conversation. Please watch the video one more time and look carefully if you can find Sam. And leave in the comment below, where was Sam yesterday? And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
All right. So this is about the class, okay? Everybody, now let's go back to sentence pattern 2. 我们现在继续回来看哈。No, he wasn't. He was at the airport an hour ago. 跟这个问句就是刚刚他们在说的，对不对？所以我们主要 Unit 4 and Unit 3，它最大的不同是 Unit 3我们在讲第一、第二人称就是 I and you，OK？I and you. For example, where were you yesterday? I was blah blah blah, like that. So I and you 是在第3课，我们的第4课。Where was Sam? Where was Tim? Was Jenny? Was Oliver? 这些都是人名，也就是第3人称 he or she, maybe it 如果不是人类，如果是小狗、小猫就是 it。所以这里的话，你都要用 was 这里的过去式的这个动词你要用 was，OK？好，如果没有问题 ，if you don't have any question, now everybody please take a look about here. Write and guess. Write and guess. All right. So the same. I think. Yeah, you need to do it by yourself first. 你这个地方一样，各位同学要先自己做哦。You can see there's a green color, right? 这里有一点浅绿色在这里，是不是？所以浅绿色1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 blank to fill in, and we have also 6 words, right? Word bank. So you need to choose a word to put in here. In random, okay? 是随机的。For example, I can put supermarket here on yesterday, and museum here for Jenny, theater an hour ago, airport here, like that. 你先把6个框框里面的字都先填上，那这个一样是可以跟同学玩。There's a solution if you still want to do it. 我们可以回学校的时候再做，或是如果你有其他的方式 ，For example, you have a friend. 如果你有好朋友。他也可以跟你用 Line 或是用这个 Google Meet 之类的，你们想要打电话什么都可以，你可以直接电话里用问的，那你打给你的同学、你的朋友，你就可以问他，Was Tim at the museum yesterday？ 这时候你是问谁 ？Tim yesterday， 问他在哪里 museum。那如果你的同学的确他这里也写 museum， 他就会告诉你什么 ？Yes, he was。那如果不是，他就说 No, he wasn't。然后他可能会告诉你答案 ，He was at the airport， 那你就知道这边白色的 my friend， 你这边要填 airport，OK？Finish this，but if you don't have time，then you don't do it，OK？你至少把你的这个 I 的部分6 words 填上。那之后呢，如果你有时间，你可以打电话跟同学做这件事情；如果没有，我们就回学校的时候有时间我们可以来做。All right. So now everybody take a look about this. 我们现在可以先来看一下这个地方。这个地方呢，就是我们所说的，刚刚老师所说的 Unit 3, Unit 4的文法表格。For example, where were you? Where was he? Where was she? And these two, the yellow part, were you and they. 这两个是另外学习的哈。这两个另外的框框是在说什么呢？你看前面有个 you， 那为什么下面还有个 you？Because it's the singular and the plural. 这个是单数，这个是复数。我问你的时候用 you， 我用那个要问你们的时候也是用 you 以前就是这样子学的，对不对 ？So 这边两个黄色框框都是复数They, what is they？ 他们，对不对 ？So this is 你们 ，this is 他们。那如果你要去用问句的话，前面都是一样，后面也是一样，只有中间的 were was 需要改变。All right. So everybody, if you don't have any question, if you want, you can write it down. 你如果想要，你可以暂停，然后把这个地方给写下来，这样很清楚嘛。It's clear. 然后下面的解答也是I was, he was, she was, and we were, they were. We were, they were. 我们的话是复数，都是用 were。就像是如果是现在式，我们都用 are， 对不对？We are, they are。那你不会说 I are, I am 嘛？那在过去式的时候 ，I 跟 he, she 都是用 was。Alright, and this is about the pattern 2， 第二个句型的表格。The same. If you want to write it down, then you can press pause button and you can do it. OK? 如果一样，各位同学，如果你们想要把它抄下来也可以，这样你会更熟悉。So, you, he, she is about were, was. 特别需要注意的应该是这个 were you。为什么？因为这边 was he, was she， 他的回答也是 he was, she was。然后 were you, were they， 回答一样是 we were, they were。只有这个 were you， 他的回答是 I was。问你的时候你是用 were，but if you answer it's I, then you use was。这个是特别不一样的哦。现在是我们问的是 Are you？ 那你回答是 I am， 一样的意思，它会变化。Okay, so yeah, there's one more thing that you need to notice。有一件事要注意，就是回答 no 的时候，它的这个否定的简写你如果不会写，你可以写 I was not。那你当然最好就是 I wasn't，wasn't 是一个正式的这个简写嘛。N and T 中间一撇是点在上面，不是下面，下面变成逗号了。Alright? Okay. So if you don't have any question, I think, yeah, we still got a little bit time. Now we're going to do the homework. Okay? So wait a second. 等老师一下哦。Homework. All right. Okay, so now we're going to do our homework. It's homework time. Do you remember what is your homework? It's student book, page 63 to 64. 你的作业呢是63页到64页。Now you can press a button or pause or even stop. 你可以先把这个影片关掉，或是按暂停去做你的作业。等到你做完作业之后再回来看 ，OK？ 老师会帮你们解答。All right. So if you are going to do it, press button now, the pause button. 现在记得先暂停，你不要直接看完，看完答案都看到了。Alright? Okay. So, if you are here now, it means you have finished your homework, page 63 and 64, right? 如果各位同学现在又回来看到这部影片，代表你这两个地方已经写完咯。那我们现在要来解答了。Alright, the first part here. You can see Peter, Helen, Mike, and Cindy, right? Now and yesterday. So, now Peter is at airport, right? And this is Mike. Mike is at the theater. Helen is at the restaurant. And Cindy is at the train station. So, listen.
Number 1. Peter is at the airport now.
Yeah. I have told you that you need to listen to a CD, right? 老师刚刚有跟你们说嘛，你要记得听 CD， 因为你这一题的话，你是没有听 CD 的话，你是不会做的哦。Okay, so 如果你看到这边，你刚刚没有不知道怎么写，你现在赶快按暂停，你再去听一次哈。好，我们再听一次。
Number 1. Peter is at the airport now.
Okay, so Peter is at the airport now. So, yeah, easy. You can write down is and now. And the second one.
Number 2. Sandy was at the bookstore yesterday.
Sandy was at the bookstore yesterday.
Number 2. Sandy was at the bookstore yesterday.
So now, this is now and this is yesterday. So we have yesterday, right? We have heard yesterday. So Sandy, which is, yeah, she is Sandy. So Sandy was at the bookstore yesterday. Is it true? Yesterday, right? Sandy. Oh, sorry, Sandy is at the bookstore. Here is Sandy, right? Sandy. 好，老师刚刚看错了。This is Helen. This is Sandy, right? Number 3, Mike at the museum. Okay, ready?
Number 3. Mike was at the museum yesterday.
Mike was at the museum yesterday. Why? Because Mike is here. This Mike is, yeah, at the theater, and it's now. So this is the yesterday one. So actually, if you don't listen to the CD, you can still do it. 刚刚老师说一定要听 CD， 但是其实如果你够厉害的话，你从这两张图你就看得出来哪一个才是对的嘛。因为有 museum， 所以一定要用这个 was， 因为是 yesterday。Okay, so the number 4, Helen at the restaurant. Where's Helen? Okay, this is Helen. Helen, right? So Helen restaurant and Helen zoo, and here is the she is at the restaurant, right? Yeah, because restaurant is here. So you need to put now. Alright? Please check your answer. 请检查你的答案。Okay, check it. If it's correct, you can check it. Now, let's take a look about this. Read and choose. Ready?
Dear Nick, how are you? I'm in Taiwan now. I'm learning Chinese here. People here are so nice. Guess what? I have a cat here. Yesterday was Sunday. I was at the art museum yesterday morning. Yesterday afternoon, I was at the theater with my friends. The movie was great. After that, we had dinner at a restaurant. The food was yummy. There are many beautiful places in Taiwan. I really like Taiwan. Love, your sister, Tina.
Alright. So, dear Nick, how are you? I'm in Taiwan now. I'm learning. It's about what? It's an email, okay? It's an email. So, who wrote it? Tina wrote it, right? 下面写 Tina, so Tina 写的哦。Dear Nick, she wrote an email to Nick. And then, now take a look about the question. Where was Tina yesterday afternoon? So we can see. morning. Oh, yesterday afternoon I was at the theater with my friends. So at the theater it should be A, B, C. Which one? Yeah, B, right? Okay, and which is not true? 哪一个不是对的呢？ Nick is Tina's brother. Let's take a look. So I think, yeah, your sister, love your sister. 有没有发现这个地方他写爱你的姐姐或妹妹 ？So, Nick is Tina's brother. It's true, right? 这个是对的嘛。Tina has a cat in Taiwan. Let's take a look. Is it? Is it? I have a cat here, right? I have a cat, and I am in Taiwan now. So, she has a cat in Taiwan. It should be true, right? It should be true. 这应该也是对的。Tina doesn't like the food in Taiwan. Let's take a look. The food was yummy, so she likes the food in Taiwan. 她应该是喜欢食物的，她不喜欢的话，这是 not true. So C. Okay. So now please check your answer. 现在请你先检查你的这个答案。Alright? Okay. If you have finished everything, 如果你这一部影片看到这边，你作业也做完了，那这部影片要准备结束了。Remember to do one thing is to leave a comment below or go to the link to check to sign the 签到表 right? Yeah. 如果你们影片看到现在，应该这个留言区你要记得去签到。然后最后一件事情如果你不能签到也没关系，不是在留言区，是在 Google 的表格。老师上次已经讲过了嘛，对不对？Let's take a look. I think it's this one, right? No, maybe this one. I think so. Google Forms. Okay. All right. Maybe we go from here. Okay. All right. This one, it's the 小考. Okay, so you can check here. 你现在要记得去那个出席签到表。那这个连结老师会放在这个影片的下方，还有留言栏我都会放。Okay. So if you don't have any question, I think the video should be end here. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye. 这一堂课就到这里结束。我们的下一堂课，请你在那个你们的课表上课的时间记得出席签到表记得2堂课都要签。那老师上次有讲这个表，我只做一个，但我后来想，那我干脆第7部就是最后一部影片，也就是下一部影片，我会另外做一张表。所以记得你们2个都要签 ，OK？It's better 这样比较好看。All right, see you, bye bye.